Traders, there is a psychology to scaling your trading accounts, and I'm going to show you exactly the mindset you need to have and the understanding and mental model you need to have to go from $1,000 trading accounts to 10,000 to 100,000 to a million and beyond. And I'm going to give you some mental models and some diagrams and some understandings in this video which are going to be incredibly beneficial on your scaling journey. Now, you've all seen me draw this diagram before, and this diagram helps demonstrate, and I'm drawing it away in the corner for a very particular reason because we're going to develop on these principles. But this idea helps you differentiate between process-based thinking and outcome-based thinking. Outcome-based thinking is down below, and outcome-based thinking is emotional. And traders who are caught in outcome-based thinking are seeking after the pleasure of winning, and they're seeking after the benefit of winning that they perceive they're going to get in their mind. And they're caught in outcome-based ideas, and they take trades because they think this trade's going to be a win. And then guess what? Based on a sequence of trades, a sample space of trades, a large sample space of trades, 100 trades, some of those trades are going to be profitable, some are not. Let's say out of 100 trades, 60 of those trades are going to be winners, and 40 of those trades are going to be a loss. Or 30 of those trades are going to be a loss, and 10 of them are going to be break even. So if a trader is seeking after the positive outcome on each individual trade, then on some of those trades, on a percentage of those trades, they're going to be disappointed because they're going to be seeking after the pleasure of winning. They're going to associate a lot of benefit and positive to winning. And by law of contrast, when that trade's inevitably a loss, they're going to feel pain and disappointment and challenge because of the law of contrast. This is all outcome-based thinking. Now, there's a way to transcend outcome-based thinking and go to a higher level of thinking, which we call, or what I call, process-based thinking on this channel. And process-based thinking is a state of mind where, irrespective of the outcome, you've made the right decision because you've stuck to your trading plan. Process-based thinking isn't emotional, it's rational. So this is rational thinking from the prefrontal cortex and the more executive parts of your brain, whereas outcome-based thinking is emotional from the amygdala. And you can say, because you're activating your amygdala, you're a bit of an animal when you're in outcome-based thinking. Whereas when you're in process-based thinking, you're a human. You're logical. Okay? Now, the way you transcend from outcome-based thinking to process-based thinking is by having a clear trading plan, mechanical trading plan, and using the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool to identify all your expectations and ground those before you take the trade. That's the way you transcend. And then also working on your subconscious charges. That's a little bit more advanced, but it's another way to transcend from outcome-based to process-based. So Bulletproof Your Mindset tool and six-figure trading plan, both of those in the description. Free tools that you can use and you can implement into your trading to help you make that transition from outcome-based to process-based. Now, that's one individual trade. Now, like I mentioned, there's a sequence of trades. And I was thinking, how can I draw diagrams better to communicate these principles better? And I'm going to share a few that you've never seen before. So let's imagine now that we've got a sequence of trades. And this trade's a win, this trade's a win, this trade's a loss, this trade's a loss, this trade's a loss, this trade's a win. Now, you can draw the polarities again. Now, if on this individual trade you're seeking after the win, you've got expectations of the win, and that trade is a win, then you're going to be really happy, you're going to be elated, you're going to go into a state of pride. And in that state of pride, you're more likely to not stick to your trading plan, to minimize risk in the market, to take crappy setups. And on the next trade, you're going into that trade thinking it's a win, but lo and behold, because of your sample space, this trade's actually a loss. Now, this is assuming throughout this whole process, you're maintaining a rational mind. Most traders don't. Most traders take a win, they go up, way up into this state of pride, and they start taking shitty trades that aren't part of their plan. So I'm assuming as a trader, you have perfect execution with this analogy, with this example, but most traders don't. So this is actually quite a generous diagram. And then the next one, you're coming into that trade expecting a win because of your outcome-based expectations. But again, it's a loss, so you feel the pain of that. Because in your mind, you've anchored all this pleasure to the outcome of the trade. The market didn't give you that. It's very disappointing as a result. Same thing again, pain of losing. And the next trade, you're seeking after a win and you get a win on that one. So you puff yourself up into a state of pride. You feel invincible. And now you're talking down to the market. Okay? So this is an example when we draw it out over a larger sample space. There are more trades. Now, as a trader, you can transcend this whole dynamic of, let's put this yellow line in here, of whether the trade's a win or a loss, and going on this emotional journey of winning and then losing and then winning and then feeling the vicissitudes, the ups and downs of being a trader that's caught in outcome-based thinking. Guess what this is called? That's called the boom and bust cycle. A trader who does well and does very, very poorly. Now, the way you transcend the boom and bust cycle is in each individual trade, using the Bulletproof Your Mindset tool, using your mechanical trading plan, addressing the subconscious charges of infatuations and resentments like I teach in the 12-week program. So on each individual trade, you transcend from outcome to process-based thinking. Process-based, 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 process-based. And as a result, you aren't experiencing these ups and downs. You have more of a steady journey where you're less emotional as a trader and you're just more process-based, sticking to your trading plan. And in that state, you achieve consistent profitability. So that's how I want you to think about it on each individual trade relative to a sample space.